All right, guys, we made it to the teleferico, to right across from the Ferris wheel. We came out a little bit later because it was so hot out. So now it's around 5:15. It's a lot more cooler. So we took a nap and now we're right back out.
Es con tarjeta Aerovía, es una por persona. Si va a ser ida y vuelta, es 3,40 por cada persona.
Okay, so dos personas y un bebé.
Las dos personas necesitan dos tarjetas, 6,80.
Okay. Para ida y vuelta. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right, guys, so we made it up to the teleferico. So we got the cards. So round trip cost $3.40 for 2 cards. So pretty cheap. It's for a round trip. So we get to the one side, walk around for a little bit, then we'll get back. Okay, so we made it to the end of the station. Not sure really what's here, but we're gonna just walk around, take a quick look before we head back. We bought round trip tickets, so they forced us to get off. We were gonna just stay on and just kind of ride in the loop, but we weren't able to. I don't think there's really much here. I think about the local people, they just live here. It's like everyone was just getting off and just walking out, probably going home, but I guess we'll see in a minute. All right, let's check it out. Oh, that juice looks good. I think he has me. Babe, wait. Hola, ¿está mojito?
Limonada.
Limonada, así.
Limón, ya le sé.
Sí. Dame uno, por favor.
Ya le sé.
¿Cuánto? ¿Cuánto es?
$1.
$1. Gracias, señor.
Gracias, caballero, gracias.
Woo. Sugar, a lot of sugar. That's my favorite. They're trying to get me here. I know. Yeah, probably could check out, see got some food.
You're not gonna eat it.
No. So as you can see, as soon as you get off, there's like a lot of vendors selling like drinks and some food. Even a little further down, there's like a few restaurants here. Looks really good, local. It's kind of catching my eye. Probably just walk over here. Yeah. I think we can just walk in the street a little bit, it's fine. Oh, they had the pig.
That's fish house. Wow.
Va a llevar todo. Hola, buenas.
Hola, buenas. All that stuff looked pretty good there. Mm. I mean, I kind of want to try try something.
No, you want to go to the market.
We can do both. A little something.
I think market have good stuff. I see people
Okay. So what do you want to do? Walk back? All right. All right, so she wants to go back. We're going to head back and just go to the, I think it's Mercado de Rio. There's a lot of different restaurants in there, so we're going to probably just check that place out.